Hi everyone, my name is Makai Barletta and you are looking at my prototype for ME 2900. So specifically what you're looking at here is a mail delivery robot prototype. And kind of the inspiration for this for me was that growing up I lived in a very small rural town and often the mail did not arrive on time. And I figured, in my hometown, it had a lot of extensive sidewalk networks. And I figured, why wouldn't it be possible to have robots travel down those sidewalks to help deliver the mail in a more timely manner? All right, so next I want to show you some of the key components that are helping this prototype work. So we're going to take a look under the hood here. So I'm going to remove the top. And there's a lot of ugly wires, but first I just want to show you the servo motor in the back. So what this does right here, this little servo motor, is it powers a trapdoor in the back. And this trapdoor is activated via the serial monitor. What I can do is I can place a pretend newspaper in this compartment, and when I command the serial monitor to power the servo motor, I can release the package. So next, I'm going to take a look at the two DC motors. So I have two DC motors that are powering the rear wheels. So one here and one here. And these rear wheels are controlled by a joystick, which as you can see right here. So you control the forward, back, and speed. All right, and then let's move to the front. And you'll see this little puppy here is a ultrasonic distance sensor. So the function this performs is it prevents collisions. So if it senses that you're going forward and you're within 10 centimeters of an object, it's going to brake the wheels so you can't go forward, but you can still reverse. And we also have an RGB LED. And this little guy just lights up when either A, you're releasing a package, or B, you're about to collide with something. So it kind of just provides some signaling. All right, and then finally, I don't know how well you'll be able to see this, but right here in the center, right here, this is a serial dual motor driver. And what it does is it serves as an H bridge for both of my DC motors in the rear. All right, so that's enough explanation. Now let's actually see it in action. So I'm going to put this back on just to make it look a little more presentable. Also, I forgot to mention, please disregard the paper towel. That's just to prop it up and give you a better look at it. But first things first, how about we show how the wheels function? So I'm going to power my little guy forward, going up. As you can see, the wheels go forward, and if I want to reverse, I'm simply going to go down. Now, if I want to turn, what's going to happen if I want to turn, let's say, right, I'm going to go diagonal right, and this wheel, the right wheel, will be spinning slower than the left wheel. And so, therefore, it can kind of turn. And vice versa when you're going left diagonal. Right, and if you reverse, it's just going to do the same thing but in the opposite direction. All right, so now let's look at the collision detection. So, as you can see, I'm driving forward. Now, what happens if I go in front of my distance center? Well, as you can see, it's sensing me, so even though I'm holding up on the joystick, the wheels aren't moving and the light is lighting up because it senses that something is too close. But let's say I want to go back. Now I can be as close as I want to it and still go in the reverse. So it's only preventing you from going forward and colliding with something. All right. So now that I've been showing it kind of driving, let's see how we can release the mail. So I'm going to go over to my serial monitor here, and I'm going to type in a code word, just in this case a code number 123. I'm going to hit enter, and what's going to happen is when I enter it, light's gonna signal and the rear motor is gonna open up, or the servo trapdoor. Okay, so now I'm gonna show it from a different angle. So answer 1, 2, 3 again. And as you can see, the trapdoor goes up. And let's look at it one more time. All right. And so those are all the key features of my prototype for ME2900. I apologize, I know this video wasn't of the highest quality, but thank you very much for watching.